Oh boy, we'll start with this very sad one. Is it you who was talking about the fact that people go to funerals and people end up with cameras in their faces when they're mourning and stuff? I think you've spoken about that before. You're saying about mourning yesterday, there was a picture of a camera like right up in his face while he was crying. And I saw somebody on Twitter saying, my God, have you guys no shame? See, well, there you go. The people really remember them work still, but it's still hard to see because grieving should be so personal.
Yep. I remember I was at my mom's funeral and I'm holding my niece, Celia, Norma's daughter, and we're both crying, obviously. And this gentleman walks in, I guess with his wife, and he stops and goes and him touch him wife. A pure foolish system to keep up on TV, you know. And him just said, Neville, how you going up on TV? And I'm like, sorry. I don't understand.
No,
that.
You just don't answer. You just don't
I don't
answer.
understand.
That is just.
I don't understand that. Even if he didn't know it was my mother, he knew it was a funeral.
And he saw you crying.
Yep. But why? This is so sad.
Germaine Mason laid to rest yesterday. Very, very sad. Tragic. I mean, a lot of people still can't come to grips with the fact that he's gone. You folks would have known that he crashed off his Honda motorcycle about, how long ago was it now? About a month ago? Last month, on the Palisadoes main road. Yesterday, he was laid to rest at the Hagley Park Seventh-day Adventist Church in St. Andrew. And he was interred, is the word they call it, in Portland somewhere. We really want to send our condolences to his family. I mean, I look at his son and it's just like, I know they say God knows best, boy, but it's hard. It's hard. So our condolences to all involved, and as we would say, may his soul rest in eternal peace. All right, moving on from that. We are moving into Labor Day. What's today? The 22nd of May.
It's tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow is Labor Day. So lots of folks are going to be staying home, but if you can do something in your community or with your corporate entity or whatever it is, and we would encourage you to get involved. Community groups are planning to paint pedestrian crossings for Labor Day. That's important. Hopefully after they're painted, people will use them. Because, you know, sometimes you have a crossing like right here and somebody chooses to go literally a foot up the road and cross in the street. That's why the crossings are there.
Yep, the NWA is saying you need approval because they said most of them were incorrectly placed. What do you mean by that? They put it too close to something.
Or maybe around corners or something that make it risky. But yeah, you should get approval before you do that, because something that important and life-saving, you have to make sure it is in the right place. It doesn't expose anybody to unnecessary
And the other thing
risk.
about a pedestrian crossing, you see, folks, you can't see a car like 5 yards away from it and you just walk out the road because it's a pedestrian crossing.
Walk out in the road because the cross.
You're actually supposed to wait until the car stops, and then when the car stops, then you go across. But some of us just kind of put up our hand and we just start walk, and the car is like right here. And the other thing about coming to a sudden stop, remember people behind you too, you know, so they don't expect you to stop suddenly. Maybe they should be that close, but they don't expect you to stop suddenly. And when you stop suddenly, all kind of things can happen. And even though they run in your back, it's kind of you cause it because you just stop dead in the middle of the road.
You're always wrong when somebody runs in your back, right? Yeah.
But because they say, where's what, 2 car lengths? I think they say it must be behind by 2 car lengths.
It's 2 or 1? It's 2?
I think it's 2. It's 2. I think so.
Well, the rule of thumb is you look left, you look right,
and then you ask to cross. I don't know if you put your hand like that or you put it up. You see, that's so or so. But you ask to cross, and then some of it don't realize is that's going on. So don't just walk out in the road.
But
and
there are
say,
some people who believe once you step on the crossing, no matter where the car is, everybody must stop it. It don't work like that.
All right.
All right, so Busy Kendo Road again. Foreign, here he comes. He's headed to perform at the, where is this, Roy Wilkins Park? Is it Groovin in the Park?
In New York,
in New York City in June. That's usually a huge event, people. So this is a big deal for Busy. We're glad to hear that. So he's going to be there. He secured a U.S. visa for 4 months, or 4 months ago. I'm sorry. He got his visa 4 months ago. He's now been cleared to travel to New York to perform on Grooving in the Park. It's his first performance on U.S. soil at the 7th annual staging of the event. As I told you, it's at the Roy Wilkins Park in Queens on June 25, which is a Sunday. And he's going to join some folks, including R&B legend R. Kelly, and some other great Jamaican stars. So that's going to be a big deal. What is this now? Can't bother with Drake, you know.
Who is Drake?
He's a rapper.
That is Drake, that?
You used to call me on my cell phone. What? You didn't get enough award last night, though?
Yeah.
That's last night?
Yeah.
Knowing that you need. Stole the show at the 2017 Billboard Music Awards last night, taking home 13 honors. What? Surpassing Adele's mark?
Drake good. Very
Okay,
good.
Josie says it's okay.
He's
Josie
one of the
says it's
better
okay.
rapper them. Play a Drake tune up me, you know. Me know any tune.
I just did. I sang one for you. You should. I'll play Hotline Bling for you. The problem with Drake I'm having is that Drake is trying to take credit for making dancehall international, and dude, you didn't do it. That's the problem I'm having.
You mean he's an American, Jamaican?
No, he's a Canadian.
Oh.
That's how you're supposed to know him, because you're a Canadian.
Yeah, but Drake look like he might have my age.
Well, that don't usually stop you from having the knowledge. So that's the problem.
The rapper usually say things in him tune where we can't hear.
I don't know. Jody, is this Hotline Bling have ballad in it?
Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city,
Yeah, Drake? What's me like tune?
what you asked for.
It's the first I hear that tune.
Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my.
No, man, me know that part there.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, me know that part there. Yeah. All right. So
Okay.
Me know Drake. All right, me know Drake.
All right.